Have you ever cleared up your desk only to have charging cables turn it into a total mess again? What if wireless charging could be completely invisible? Meet VORO. Its sleek design features integrated cooling vents that keep it running cool, safely dissipating heat, all while delivering an incredible 60mm charging distance. Powered by next-gen magnetic resonance technology, VORO is more efficient, generates less heat, and runs super stable. Paired with 15 watts full-speed fast charging, it's the perfect balance of speed and device safety. Just stick it under your desk with 3M adhesive or use our custom bracket and you're ready in minutes. It powers through thick desktops, phone cases, magnetic mounts. No need to remove anything. Thanks to Qi EPP fast charging compatibility, VORO recognizes your device in just half a second, supporting iPhone, Samsung, and all Qi-enabled devices. Here's the real breakthrough. The charging area is 300% bigger, so you can drop your phone and go. No more hunting for the sweet spot. VORO can charge through surfaces up to 60mm thick, wood, glass, marble, or stone, no problem. Your charger stays hidden, your desk stays clean, your space stays elegant and clutter-free. From gaming setups to home offices to nightstands and coffee tables, VORO fits seamlessly into every part of your life. No visible charger, no messy cables, no compromises. And here's the kicker, a single bracket can power up to 3 devices at the same time. Phone, earbuds, and more, all at once. This is more than wireless charging. This is the future of clean setups. This is VORO.